Pandle app: the pros, the cons. If you're a small business owner or freelancer, keeping your accounts organized can be a headache, but the Pandle app promises to make bookkeeping simple. But is it really as helpful as it claims? One major pro is simplicity. Most people get this wrong by assuming accounting apps are complicated, but Pandle offers a clean, intuitive interface that makes adding expenses, invoices, and payments straightforward. You can categorize transactions easily, generate basic reports, and even reconcile bank statements quickly. For new business owners, this reduces the learning curve dramatically. Another advantage is cloud-based accessibility. You can manage your finances anywhere, whether on desktop or mobile. Pandle also supports multiple users, so your accountant or bookkeeper can access your data securely in real time. This ensures everyone stays on the same page without juggling spreadsheets. However, there are cons. Some users find advanced features like payroll or detailed tax reporting are limited, which means growing businesses may eventually outgrow the app. Integrations with other software like payment processors or CRMs are also less extensive compared to larger accounting platforms. In conclusion, the Pandle app is a solid choice for small businesses and freelancers who want a simple, no-fuss bookkeeping solution. The surprising truth is that while it covers the basics exceptionally well, businesses with complex accounting needs might need additional tools down the line. For those just starting out or managing simple accounts, Pandle delivers an easy, accessible, and reliable solution that can save time and reduce errors. Pair it with occasional professional advice, and you've got a streamlined bookkeeping system at your fingertips.